Rob will maintain your lawn so you don't have to. After a simple installation, he knows where to cut, and he automatically follows his programmed schedule. Rob cuts quietly and efficiently, day and night, without any disturbance, and he even cuts in the rain. The open design of the cutting disc prevents the grass from building up underneath. Rob cuts on slopes up to 25%, and narrow passages are also easy to navigate. As Rob mulches the grass, there is no grass box to empty. When the job is done, he intelligently returns back home to the charging station. Rob's hassle-free controls provide an easy setup and clear communication via his fully integrated display and keypad. You can program the cutting schedule, make changes to the installation settings, and manage security settings, including PIN code setup and anti-theft alarm. Our easy-to-install boundary wire sets the cutting area, so Rob will mow your lawn within the area you've defined. He uses our patented guide wire technology to find the way out to remote areas, ensuring an even cut of your lawn. He does this by alternating his starting point along the guide wire between points A, the charging station, B, a user-defined distance along the guide wire, and C, at the end of the guide wire. This ensures Rob has maximum lawn coverage and a better overall cutting quality. The guide wire also enables Rob to find his way home to the charging station. He intelligently follows the guide wire home, varying his paths so he leaves no tracks on your lawn. So you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your free time.